this is what it is.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
So I had a parcel that came in this morning while I was eating, and I just said I should come on camera to show you what I got. I haven't been in this corner in a while, so I kind of miss filming here. I'm just going to rip it off because there's no it's not something I would want to return. So yeah, I'm just going to tear off the pack. So Houseofcb they were having a sale. I didn't even know. I randomly came across it online. I think I saw it on someone's story, and then I went to their site and they were having this 3 for 160 offer, something like that, and I've been wanting to get something from them, so I decided to get myself something. So yeah, this is what it is. I really love how nice the packaging is. If you I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I don't think you can see, but it has the logo printed and stamped on the sticker or paper, whatever. So I just peeled it off and I'm going to see. Oh, don't mind my ashy hands, by the way. Don't look at it. Oh. So yeah, this is not all. I think, yeah, this just has 2 items. The last one's made to order. Yeah, so I think it will come in tomorrow or a few days from now. Hopefully not too long. So in the box we've got a thank you card. Just thank you so much for your purchase.
Please take care of your items when trying on so they can remain makeup, fake tan and stain free. We may not be able to accept your return if it's sealed. Thank you.
Houseofcb London. And it feels like receiving PR, honestly. So this is a PR experience, but you paid for it. This is the first item, and this is a skirt. Okay. Yep. So this is the first item. I'm going to try it on and see if it fits. And the other item that should be in the box but that's not in the box is the corset that goes with the skirt. I'm going to also put a picture. And then I got a dress. I really wanted one of those the floral dresses, but I didn't want one with a slit, so I just decided to get this, and I actually really like this. It feels Christmassy and just reminds me of like fall, autumn. Yeah, that's the vibe that the dress is giving. It's very like autumn-y, like Christmas dinner kind of dress, and I actually love it. Hi, so I'm in the middle of a braid takedown and it's so nasty. So I have a lot of new growth, so that's good, but it's really nasty. And I was hoping to color my hair today, but I don't think I'll be able to do it just in time. So I'm just going to take my braids down and wash my hair. Yeah, I'm blow dried. Or not. Yeah, I might blow dry it or not. I'll just let it air dry. It's so itchy, but I'm so happy to be taking it down. Forgive my ashy hands once again. I've been coming to my vlog looking very humble, so I'm going to do this off camera and come back and like show you, or not, because this is disgusting and I need to wash my hair. I have a driving test in a few minutes and I'm on my way. Hi, so I literally just entered my house. I went for my driving test and I passed my test. I'm happy that I finally have that out of the way. I can now book my practical test and just wait, because I heard that the wait list is like really long. So I'm so happy that I finally got that out of the way. I'll see you guys later. literally just got back from the gym. I went for a fitness and boxing class. First ever fitness and boxing class. I've been putting it off for so long and it was really something different. I think I say it for all my classes. Cross training is like something different. Pilates is something different. And now fitness and boxing is like really, I've never boxed in my life before, so I didn't know what I was expecting. Yeah, when you say fitness and boxing, I guess it's a mix between fitness and boxing.
That was the shittiest explanation ever.
But yeah, it's a kind of a hybrid class basically. I'm really tired. I've got work in 2 hours, so I'm going to have to shower and get ready for work. But I need to eat something first because I'm starving. I've got these 2 parcels I need to drop off at the post office, but I can do that on my way to work because today they don't close till 1 anyways. This has been like this for weeks. I've not even like done a proper clean of my room in so long. Yeah, I've just been so lazy. But anyways, yeah, so that's how I started my day, and I will see you guys, I don't know when.